This video tutorial explains the 3D LED function of the Movnorm series monitors. To use this function, you need to import the LED file through a USB flash drive. The USB flash drive used must be USB 2.0 64 GB or less, and the file system format must be FAT32 or FAT. Note: the upper limit of 3D LED import is 20, and the LED format of the imported file must be cubed. Otherwise, the import will fail. Click the screen to bring up the menu. Click 3D LED and turn on the 3D LED function. Click Stored from USB to View and use the imported LED and the LED that comes with the monitor. Click USB Scanning. Click the 3D LED folder. Select your import path to find the target file. Click the target file and wait for the progress bar to load, and the import will be completed. Click Reset LED to restore the initial LED settings. The above is a complete introduction to the 3D LED function of the Movnorm series monitors.